Hello rail fans, here we have M500-17 that we captured in the Nashville National Cemetery on November 17th of this year. Daily manifest going from Nashville, Tennessee up to Chicago, Illinois. And as we can see here, it's coming to a stop and we'll wait for a couple other trains to make movements, and then we'll get another video of it from the other end of the cemetery in its full consist. Cool thing about this train is it contains 5 brand new rebuild units that came up from the Wabtec facility down in Fort Worth, Texas. So you got 7584 up front, one of those rebuilds, and a 7230, followed by a 7593, 7589, 7576, and a 7583. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below, or you can hit the rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.